I see a silly bee. I see a bee. I see a silly bee with butterflies on it.
You do?
Yes.
How old are you?
2.
You're not 2.
No, I'm 5.
You're not 5.
No, I'm 3.
You're 3. Did you have a good birthday?
Yes.
What did you get for your birthday?
My present.
Your present? What was your present?
Butterflies on it. With door on it too.
Did you and Mommy go to Build-A-Bear? What did you get?
Bear.
Bear.
Yes. A kitty cat.
Is it here?
Yes.
Let me see it.
Okay. See?
Mm-hmm. Does it make a noise?
Yes.
Did you name her?
Yes.
What's her name?
Stevie.
Stevie?
Yes.
Do you love Stevie?
Yes. Do you hug a kitty?
What?
Megan, do you hug a kitty? Do you have a kitty?
I do have a kitty.
You do?
Yeah, I have Hello Kitty.
Hello, kitty?
Mm-hmm.
At your phone?
What?
At your phone?
It's in my room.
Is it in your room? Oh, see. It popped. See?
Yeah.
It pops. It pops.
Yep. Pop yourself.
I hit myself.
You hurt yourself.